such an inspiration for the ways that I will never ever choose to be. Oh, so many ways for me to show you how your city has abandoned you. Your Lord, your Christ took all you had and still you pray, never stray, never.
Why, hello there. I didn't hear you come in. I was just reading about a brilliant man named Johannes Kepler. He was quite an interesting fellow. In fact, he was the first person to prove that planets traveled in elliptical orbits around the sun. He was born prematurely at 2:30 p.m., December 27, 1571, in Württemberg, in the Holy Roman Empire, and he was of German nationality.
Push! Push harder!
Oh, piss.
Hey, you lost something.
Aww. Wait a second. Isn't this kind of small?
Well, you were only pregnant for 224 days, 9 hours and 53 minutes.
So what's that mean?
It means you were early.
Oh, jeez.
Well, I'd hate to be that. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. Anyway, Kepler was a sickly child, contracting the smallpox virus at the age of 7 months. He was born to a poor Lutheran family, and it took him twice as long as it should have to finish his elementary education. However, he ended up receiving a scholarship to attend the University of Tübingen, studying Lutheran ministry. While at the university, he encountered the theories of the astronomer Copernicus. While studying Copernicus' theories, he attempted to prove that the planets' orbits were determined by various geometric figures, such as triangles and pentagons. However, that didn't quite work out for him.
Ah, piss!
Sorry, dude.
Like I said, that didn't work out very well. In 1600, Kepler was expelled from Austria. However, he was contacted by a man named Tycho Brahe. Tycho offered Kepler a job studying the orbits of Mars. However, while studying the orbits of Mars, Kepler soon realized that by using the theory of circular orbits, which was widely accepted by the followers of Copernicus at the time, calculating the orbit of Mars was virtually impossible.
Sir, do you want a drink of water?
No!
As the two worked on calculating the orbit of Mars, it became increasingly apparent. As the two worked on calculating the orbit of Mars, it became increasingly apparent to Kepler that the orbits were not in fact circles. However, in order to prove his theory, he would need access to all of Tycho's notes. 1 year into their partnership, Tycho died of what is assumed to be a bladder infection.
Oh, shit.
Take this.
I wonder if that's what really happened.
Word to your mother.
After Tycho's death, Kepler was able to acquire his notes. He used Tycho's notes to prove his theories and form his 3 laws of planetary motion. The first of which is that orbits of planets are not circles, but ellipses.
Kepler's law, number 1.
Kepler's second law states that a line connecting the sun to a planet sweeps out equal areas in equal time periods.
Kepler's second law of motion.
Kepler's third law states that T sub a squared divided by T sub b squared equals R sub a squared divided by R sub b squared, when T is the sidereal period and R is the semi-major axis. Kepler's third law states that the squares of the periods of planets is directly proportional to the cubes of their semi-major axes. The periods are measured in years, so for Earth the period would be 1. And the semi-major axis is measured in minutes. Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't say what it's measured in. That's why I couldn't remember it. Alright.
Ready?
Let's try that again.
Good.
What, you stopped that?
Yeah.
I
Oh.
f***ed up. I couldn't remember what the one thing was measured
Yeah,
in,
no,
and it
but
turns out that it's not measured in anything.
I thought we should have just kept, you should have kept filming that. We would have just put that on.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, Phil. Ready? Go.
Kepler's third law states that Johannes Kepler died in Regensburg in 1630 while on a journey to his home in Sagan to collect a debt. His grave was demolished within 2 years because of the 30 Years' War. Frail of body but robust in mind and spirit, Kepler was scrupulously honest to the data.
Kids with guns, taking over, but it won't be long. They mesmerize skeletons. Kids with guns, kids with guns. Easy does it, they got something to say. Drinking out, pacify.
Okay, have a crappy weekend. Hope your house burns down.